Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is basically going to be a voiceover to make everything smooth for you guys. As you can tell by the title, you already know what we're about to do. I'm just showing you how I get a flawless face every time. So this is basically my routine, what I do every time I do my makeup for the most part. If I'm not rushing, I usually allot time before I get ready because I know that I want my makeup to look flawless and I know how I want my makeup to look and I know how much time that I take on my makeup. So basically this is real time, kind of sorta, it's real time how I do my makeup. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it helps anybody who was stuck on like what to do with their face and you know don't really have a makeup routine. You could totally steal mine. It's okay. Like, I love this makeup routine. You could make it fast once you get comfortable with it. I am really fast at doing my makeup. I could do my makeup in like 10 minutes now, not 30 minutes. Because I do it so much. Like, once you get accustomed to something, you know. It's very flawless, very simple, very natural, not too heavy. And you'll just see my process, okay? So, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video.
What we do here is go back.
In order to have a flawless foundation, you have to prep your skin underneath. So basically, I'm just moisturizing my face with Sun Essence Day Serum. Next, I'm just going to apply some Neutrogena Daily Moisturizer, which has SPF 30 in it. So this is basically my sunscreen. I feel like you should always have on sunscreen under your makeup if you're going out in the day. Even if it's cloudy, you never know, like the sun rays are still peeking out, you know, just to protect your skin. I did not show the primer. My primer is almost out. It's a MAC primer though. I think it's a matte primer. Yeah, so I'm basically just priming my face after all that moisturizer. And I apply a little bit, you know. I don't want too much things on my face. Onto the face. So I apply my concealer first. This is Born This Way Too Faced, and I'm in the color Warm Sand. So I just put in all the areas that you regularly highlight, but I put my highlight first because I don't like foundation all over my face anymore. I feel like the less product, the better, and the more natural your makeup will look. Next, I'm going in with contour. This is the old contour kit I got from Anastasia Beverly Hills. From Sephora. Most of my stuff, almost everything that I'm using in this video, I got from Sephora. Just in case I don't link everything down below. But you could find everything at Sephora. Foundation. So I'm using Juvia's Place foundation. The name I cannot pronounce, but y'all can see that right there. This is like a stick foundation. I am having mixed feelings about this, but because I don't put it all over my face, I really don't care for it. So you notice that I just put it on the rest of the face that is left. Then I just spray my face with MAC Prep and Prime, you know, just so everything could be dewy. Now I'm going to blend it backwards. So I'm using my Morphe M444 brush. It's just like a flat brush, and I absolutely love this brush. So I put on my contour, well, my highlight, contour, then foundation. So I blend backwards. So I blend the foundation, contour, and then highlight. And then with powder, I put on the first way. So it's just like a repeat of what you're doing. And I'm just going to blend all this out. And the rest of this is just self-explanatory. Like, I'm just blending out my face. And then I'll be back. Oh, it's very important when you're blending out your contour, if you do cream contour, to blend it up into your highlight, because you're going to blend all of your highlight downwards into the contour any which way, but you don't want to blend your contour down into your foundation. Whatever you do, don't blend it down. Blend it up, and make sure to blend your forehead contour into your hairline so everything looks seamless. You understand? Very, very, very important when blending. If you notice, I'm using just a tapping motion. I'm not swiping. I'm just like really, really picking up that beauty blender and placing it right back on my face. Light taps, strong taps, however you want to tap your face. Just make sure you're tapping it and you're not swiping it. You'll also notice that with me applying my powder. That is also very important when applying powder. You tap it into your face. You don't want to swipe because you're going to move all that product underneath that powder. So, very important tip. So you notice how you could see where, like, that line, that weird line? Watch this. We about to fix all of that. You take your same contour brush or the foundation brush, it doesn't matter, and you just blend those lines together. And look at that. We have a flawless face. Now, please remember to blend that out. Like, blend as much as you could. Just, you know, just keep blending. The key to everything is blending. All right, another important step. You see how my eyes are already creasing? I'm going to take my same beauty blender and I'm going to blend that out once again. And I do it eye by eye, so, because I know it's going to crease back up again. So I blend it out with a beauty blender and then apply the powder. You do not want to apply powder on top of a crease. It makes no sense. Oh my gosh, for anyone buying this palette, you see how I tap right in there just a little bit? Oh my gosh, that palette is so pigmented. Like, I am warning you, if you ever were to buy this palette, please do not just drag your brush in there. Just lightly tap it, because a little goes a very long way when it comes to this palette. All of my brushes are basically Morphe. Like, Morphe, can you sponsor your girl? Because all of my brushes are Morphe. Almost everything I used was Morphe. Everything. basically my face, you know, real simple, real smooth. I'm about to apply my lashes off camera, you know, eyelash lab on the lashes, duh. This is basically the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said in the beginning, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.